Malinaw hirang kabarangay kabayugan, ating masilayan na iibang bakawan. Tayo ay mamangka patungong bakawan at kasama natin kaibigan at mahal. Bakaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlog ang isda, una ng pagkain. Huwag itong putulin, bagkus ay mahalin. Isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Tamilok na masarap, oy! Sipon na mailap, oy! Talabang malasa at lukan na biyak, ating pagyamanin. Yamang dagat natin, tulong sa mahirap, sa bakawan galing. Camilok the special says, hey! Lobsters now are the best, hey! Oysters are delicious, all of them nutritious. We must love and caring all aqua living things to support the livelihood, and the shores are mangroves. Thank you, my friend. You are always welcome in mangrove again. Make sure you will be come back again.